Good day, everybody. This is the Hermit Modeler coming at you. Today we're going to be taking a ride with the Broadway Limited Hybrid Brass number 7593 Chesapeake, Ohio KT Mikado number 1196. It has a VC16 tender, Paragon sound, DCC operation. We'll be running it on DCC. It has smoke. We will not be running that because we're in a closed-in space. And it is an HO scale. Our power for it will come from the NCE power cab. And let's take a look at what we're going to be riding behind. That is one beautiful Mikado. Let me tell you what, 282. It's got the 6.6 wheel truck tenders. And let's just go ahead and take a ride with it. What are we hauling behind it? That's what she's hauling. And we're just running it at number 10 for power. I guess we're passing Flyswater Junction, huh? Now we're going to see that we're running just 18 inches for radius curves, and we're code 100 Atlas track. Turnouts, which we're not going to use today for this, for demonstration, are number 4, so it's a very limited operating. Track is 4 feet wide by 12 feet long. You can hear the swamp clear working out in the background too, by the way, if you're wondering what that noise is. Give you an idea of the layout that we're working on while we're waiting for it to come around again. Take a little ride sideways with it. Kind of an overview as it goes past things. Sitting here is another BLI locomotive here. This is their 442. They just brought out a few months ago, maybe a year. It's got a little 3-car passenger train that goes with it at the moment. SW1500 switcher from BLI right back there. Now we were only running at a speed of 10 on the power pack there for this, and it's just cruising along. We'll let her, before we shut her down for you, we'll let you go see what that she's pulling again. And she doesn't even know it's behind her. Put double that amount on, she wouldn't care a bit. And as we watch the sunset rise on the sunset rise on the caboose, I kind of like that. We'll just leave that. Bye. Good day. Have fun.